we are facing a man-made disaster on global scale, our greatest threat in thousands of years, that is climate change. If we don't take action, the collapse of our civilization and the extinction of much of the natural world is on the horizon.
पहले गाड़ियाँ कम थी और धुआं फैक्ट्रियाँ कम थी, इनका धुआं कम निकलता था तो प्रदूषण कम होता था। अब रात दिन गाड़ियाँ बहुत चलती हैं, इनका धुआं निकलता, फैक्ट्रियों का धुआं निकलता है, इससे पेड़ पौधे कम हो गए हैं। फसल तो अब यह है कि पहले इनका स्वाद और इनकी ताकत कुछ ज़्यादा थी, अब वो स्वाद और वो ताकत नहीं है। कारण क्या है, अब गोहा पड़ता नहीं है, प्रदूषण बढ़ता जाता है, सब अंग्रेजी खाद से उगाई जाती हैं सब्जियाँ।
When we talked to the farmer, the pain in his eyes could not be put into words. Human beings are the biggest causes of climate change, but the good thing is that there's a solution, and we are the part of the solution. There are a number of solutions to climate change, and we don't need to research them, they are already there. We need to focus on change of mindset, change of mentality. If we are to reduce the effects of climate change and global warming, then we must start young. We must focus on adding curricula that is going to benefit them and the environment. We as young people should be included more and should be given a ton of chances to actually articulate our issues with regard to climate change. Now is the time we must take actions. Now let's listen the views of Ms. Brijesh on climate change.
See, my views on climate change is that we should take care of something change in our daily habits. We should start from our home. The number one thing that we should take care is not to do any packaging. Packaging must be reduced because most of the garbage that is of the packaging. And secondly, we must at least I will say start using maximum of the sunlight. Maximum work we should do in the sunlight, during sunlight, so that we can reduce the effect or load on the electricity. Third thing that I would like to say is not to use plastic in any way, not the plastic bags or something like that. And in our home and around our home, maximum greenery should be there. Why? Because reason of that, the scientists, they are telling us that our cities, they are getting hotter and hotter due to global warming, due to use of ACs. So we must plant more and more trees so that they can absorb the heat and we can reduce our global warming should be kept in check. Okay?
My message to all the children, all the youth, all the elderly, even the toddlers is you can be the change. You can be the change the world is looking for right now, because at the end of the day, we have a future to protect and an environment to protect as well.